Good morning, all of you. And from this day, I am going to teach you biology, life process. Whatever the definition of concern of biology or in very previous stages, you will have studied in several classes about the biology. But before this is the traditional process. Whenever if a new book is being started, then we have to must give the definitions of concerning subject matter, so that from this point I would like to define that what is biology of class 10 students. You please be aware of these epidemic conditions, be aware, always stay at home, stay safe, and don't wander here and there on the road, because no one knows who is passing from the road. That's why it is locked down to don't make a contact with another person and make a social distancing of 2 gauge difference. This is very essential points of life. So we are going to start here biology, and you may watch yourself that I always use mask whenever if I come out of the house, and I try to take all types of precautions during outside the home. And wherever if you are at home, you must use sanitizers to sanitize your hands or anything else which you buy from market or anywhere. Only the sanitizer will help you social distancing, stay at home. These are some basic, you can say, precautions only. Nowadays, nothing, yeah, not a single medicine is being prepared for this epidemic virus. So let's have a look on biology. It is that branch of science in which we study about the living things. If we go into the ancient history, or you can say, then the Aristotle is known as the father of biology. In your book biology, the first chapter is life process. Chapter 1, we have to, first of all, we have to check what are the criteria for either an object is living or non-living. So all plants and animals are living beings, yeah, living things. What criteria do we use to decide whether something is alive or something is not? The most important thing on which criteria we will describe, yeah, we will say that this object is alive and this one is non-alive. So we, in lab process, we will check what are the criteria for our living beings. As all the plants and animals are living beings. In Hindi tone, generally we say that chalti ka naam gaadi. It means those substances which have movement, it means they are alive. Those substances which have movement of its own are called living object. So, the most important criteria of living being is movement. The most important criteria of living being is movement. All living beings move themselves without any external help. Now, movement is concerned, as birds fly very quickly, human beings can fly, can walk, can run, either slow or fast. But the movement in plants are very slow. The movements in plants are usually slow and observed with difficulty. Some animals move faster while some slow. But the movements in plant are very slow. and can be observed with difficulty. You please wash your hands with soap. Now, for any movement, for movement, energy is required. For any movement, energy is required. So there are some characteristics on which we can state whether the substance is moving, living or non-living. Now, after conclusion, the following characteristics show that the object is living. Movement second one, nutrition. Third one, growth. Fourth one, stimuli. Fifth one, respiration. Sixth one, excretion. Seven one, the most important. Seven one is the most important, reproduction. Students, you may watch here. I have just written movement is the first important thing. There are so many other criteria, but these 7 are the most important criteria for finding whether the object is alive or non-alive. Movement. So living things can move by themselves. It does not take any help from others. Another one is nutrition. It means for movement there is a need of energy, and from where energy can be get? The energy can get from nutrition. Nutrition means food, air, water, and then after growth. It means growth in body's part, growth in cell, growth in tissue, growth in organ, growth in body's parts or entire body. Another one, a response towards the change around them. A response towards the change around them. This is called the stimuli. Suppose if a person just touches any animal, then that particular animal reacts towards the stimuli or towards that particular touch. This is called the stimuli. And fifth one is the most important thing. This is also important, you can say, respiration. Respiration, inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide is called respiration. Breathing, you can say. But inhaling oxygen and using it for the digestion of food, and after that in excretion of carbon dioxide, the entire process is called respiration. And after that the metabolic functions always starts. Metabolic functions, that is called the formation of new tissue, new cells, because whenever cells get extra energy and you can say the nutrition, then after a particular period of time cell divides in itself by the cell division method and new cells are formed. After excretion, after wastage is left, then it is excreted by different parts of the body of plants or animals. In the last one, this is the most important thing, reproduction. It means giving birth of its own type of a new species, that is called the reproduction. This is the most important thing. So in the last one, what will be the definition of life process? The basic functions performed by living organisms to maintain their life on this earth. Is known as the life process. प्यारे बच्चों, आप लोगों से मेरा ये रिक्वेस्ट है, मैं वैसे आपको सभी बिंदुओं पर विस्तार से चर्चा करके बताता हूँ, और मैं आपसे फिर से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि आप सारे बच्चे घर पे रहें, सेफ रहें, सुरक्षित रहें, अनावश्यक कार्य के से आप घर से बाहर ना जाएं। और मैं ये चाहूँगा कि ये जो इसमें अगला स्टेप है वो नेक्स्ट क्लास में चालू किया जाए। और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सारे बच्चे इस वीडियो को देखें, ध्यान से पढ़ें बेटा, और घर पे रहें। मैंने फिर एक बार आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा, क्वेश्चन एराइज करें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा। अभी लॉकडाउन ख़त्म होने का दूर दूर तक कोई चांसेस नहीं है, और कब से स्कूल कॉलेजेस खुलेंगे ये भी कोई निश्चित नहीं है। इसीलिए आप सब बच्चों से, गार्जियन से भी मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप इन सब बातों को गंभीरता से लें और ध्यान से पढ़ें। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।